Introducing a versatile cleaning solution that promises to keep your electronic devices spotless and functioning at their best. The K&F Concept 25 in One Keyboard Cleaning Kit Laptop Cleaner is a comprehensive set designed to tackle dirt, dust, and grime across a variety of gadgets. The link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out at the beginning and end of this review. This all-in-one kit stands out with its impressive 25-in-1 assortment of tools and accessories. It includes a 3-in-1 cleaner pin tailored for AirPods, a microfiber cloth, cleaning solutions, steel brushes, port pick tabs, and specialized cleaning swabs for camera sensors and connectors. Additionally, it features a soft brush, SIM card slot opener, keycap puller, pen holder, phone and tablet holder, plastic keycap puller, and extra-large superfine cleaning cloths. This extensive array ensures you have everything needed to maintain your tech devices efficiently. One of the key advantages of this kit is its multifunctionality. It's not just for keyboards, it's suitable for cleaning screens, camera lenses, charging ports, and even earbuds. The AirPod cleaning tools, for instance, include flocking sponges and plush brushes that effectively remove dirt from tight spaces and mesh surfaces, enhancing your listening experience. The cleaning solutions and brushes are gentle yet effective, making it safe for delicate surfaces like screens and sensor lenses. The inclusion of a phone and tablet holder adds convenience, allowing you to clean your devices hands-free or keep them organized. However, there are some considerations. The sheer number of tools might be overwhelming for users who prefer a simple, minimal setup. Also, while the kit offers a lot of accessories, some users might find that they don't need all of them regularly, which could be seen as excess. The compact, portable design is a plus, making it easy to carry around, but the multitude of tools may require some organization. Pros include its comprehensive tool set, portability, and suitability for multiple devices, making it a great gift for tech enthusiasts or anyone looking to maintain their gadgets. On the downside, the extensive array might be more than necessary for casual users, and some tools may not see frequent use. Remember, the link to purchase this cleaning kit at a discount is pinned in the first comment. Check it out at the beginning and end of this review to grab the best deal. Overall, this kit offers excellent value for those wanting a thorough cleaning solution for all their electronic devices, combining convenience, versatility, and effective cleaning power.